Today we're going to be going over my tool haul from the Harbor Freight parking lot sale here in March 2026. That's coming up next year on Jesse B Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, it's that time of year again where we have the March parking lot sale going on. I just got back from Harbor Freight and I'm going to show you guys my tool haul. What I'm going to do in this is I'm going to show you what I got, tell you the price of it, and then if it's replacing something, I'm going to tell you guys about it. But if you haven't followed the channel over here, you can somewhat see I've got my 5-drawer tool cart over here, and what I've been doing is I've been replacing some stuff and I'm giving the other stuff to my boy, and then I'm going to keep everything I use in this, and then in the future, wish it could have been today but it wasn't, I'm going to get that 6-drawer service bank cart and I'm going to start putting stuff in that also. But I'm just going to do the 5 cart for now. Let's go ahead and get going over the tools I picked up today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the lowest and work my way up. The first thing I got was some 5mm Hardy nitrile gloves here. These were normally $11.99. With the discount on these, they were $5.92. Not a bad deal on that. Now is the time to load up on gloves like this, is when they got a deal on it. Now the next thing I got here, I don't remember if this was ITC, parking lot sale, or whatnot, but they're on sale right now, so I picked them up. What we have is the Hardy 9mm gloves here. Now the reason why I have 2 different ones of these, my wife likes using those for house cleaning. I like using these for working on the car, but when I'm out of these, I will use those because she don't use them as much as I do when I'm working on cars. But the deal on this one is $16.99. The sale price on them was $7.98. All right, the next tool I got here is replacing something, and I'll show you what it's replacing afterwards. But I picked up the Braun LED light. Now this one folds all the way from one side to the other. You got to love that. Absolutely love what it's replacing, and this is an upgrade. But first, let's go over the price. $29.99 normally, on sale for $14.99 during the parking lot sale. And that one is saving you $15 on that. So it's basically half off. Now this is replacing something, so I'm going to put this in my pile here. I have the original Braun light here, but this one only goes back that far and forward that far. This one will fold all the way back to the handle each way. I've had this for 2 or 3 years. If you guys want to see a review video on this and how it's working out now, because even though right now the battery is dead in it, because I accidentally left it, oh, there it goes. I left it out here in my cold garage, so I didn't think it would light up again. But if you would like to see a review on this one, I can tell you right now, I can do a review video for you guys and do a comparison to that one. All right, the next thing I got here is going to be replacing something, but on the rest of these, they're replacing something there's a lot of, so I'm not going to show you guys those. But what we got here is the universal joint socket set here from Icon. I always say, do not buy Icon unless it's on sale. Mostly with me, since I'm replacing stuff I already have, I am not going to pay full price on these. Now on this one, it's $39.99 normally. I paid $25.99 with the 35% off, saving $14. So the next thing I got here isn't replacing something. The rest of it is. What I got here is the Quinn low profile 1/2-inch socket set here. This one is a lot of people absolutely rave about these things. I have yet to come across where I would need them, but since they're on this good of a deal, I decided to pick them up. And these were originally $39.99. I paid $25.99. That's with the 35% off, saving $14. So the next thing here is just like the last one I picked up just because of the price. I haven't ran into where I need them. Because of the price, I want them in case I do need them. And what we have here is the Icon. These are going to be the 3/8 drive. These are the semi-deep sockets. These are metric also because I work on cars, so everything I get is metric. Like I said though, these can come in handy. I haven't had a real use for them yet because of the price. I wanted to pick them up. And that price on these, regular price was $39.99. Sale price was $26 on that, or $25.99. 35% off, saving you $14. Now the next thing I got here is replacing something. What we got here is the Icon wobble extensions. I have the Pittsburgh versions of this. I have broke the Pittsburgh version. I'll leave a card up above for you guys to check that video out. on how the warranty went on that. But I decided to upgrade to the icons on these, and I'm going to throw the Pittsburghs in my boys box. Now on these here, these were, let's see here, originally $39.99. On sale for $25.99 with a 35% off, saving you $14. Now we got some more icon extensions here. This one is the 3/8 drive only, and this is once again replacing stuff in that blue toolbox that'll go into my boys toolbox here. These were the same thing. They were $39.99 and then on sale for $25.99 after the discount with the 35% off, saving you $14 again. All right, now the last thing I got here was the most expensive thing I got, and I picked up the Icon brake caliper kit. I've absolutely been wanting this for a while. Last time they had it on sale, I didn't have the extra money for it, and today I end up snagging it up. Now this one was also on sale for the parking lot sale. Regular price was $69.99, and then I paid $49.99, saving me $20 on this. I cannot wait to do more brake jobs and use this because I'll show you what I was using. So originally, for rear disc, I was using this thing when you had the spinning calipers. If anybody uses this, you know it's a pain in the butt. You stick this on the end of a ratchet, try to line it up there, and you're trying to crank, and if you get any wonky with your cranking, this thing falls off. It drives me absolutely nuts. Now that I got that kit there, this one is going to go into my boys box, but we'll probably never use it again. We'll probably always use mine. And then I did use C-clamps, and then I also use this to push the pistons back in. Now this works pretty good, but as I'm getting old, my hands are getting bad, and I also lost the flat piece that goes on there, so I always had to make sure I had the old pad on there to push it back in. But like I said, with my hands getting bad, this thing was killing my hands doing brakes. So when I got this one here, this has these that spin in, and that's going to be a lot better for my hands, and that's why I picked this up. So there you go. There is my tool haul from the Harbor Freight parking lot sale here in March of 2026. What I want to hear from you guys, are you picking anything up? Have you picked anything up? Leave a comment down below. I want to hear what you guys picked up. I know, like me, I got an automotive background, so most of my stuff's automotive related. I know some of you guys are into other things, so leave a comment down below. I'd like to hear from you. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there, I got affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. That helps me buy stuff like this to do videos with. Some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.